to change oil and oil filter. So this is our final push in here. The oil drain plug line. That's it. And then we put back the splashboard. What?
Why that dog off it?
No.
Full bread, papers gone, bird log green.
No. Okay, see you, yeah?
Thanks very much, my friend. So much for that now. Have a good one, eh?
So tapos na ang turbo, guys. Hinati lang natin yung turbo dahil nahirapan tayo sa yung kanyang tawag nito. Nag-seize yung kanyang turbo na bolts, turbo bolts on the exhaust. Nag-seize, no? So hinati lang natin yun. And then tapos na. Nice na. Pauwi na tayo ngayon. Toyota Abensis 161. We just replaced the bad turbo. You know why it is bad? Because the owner he got the car about 7 months ago, and the previous owner didn't do the servicing or the oil change, and so that the oil gets dirty, and one gets dirty, it's forming into slugs, and then it pack up the oil feed pipe on the turbo and the return pipe as well. So lots of damage on the thing, and then as a result we advise the owner to buy engine plus. So ini-engine plus natin, and then pinaandar natin 5 to 10 minutes idle or 2000 rpm, and then dinin natin yung oil na may halong tawag nito, na may halong engine plus, and then we put up the final oil, which is the good oil. It's a 5W30. So that's it, guys. We done the turbo, and then we let the owner to drive around, and he has the positive feedback. So we have turbo on board. We kinda recondition those turbo, like we have to dismantle that turbo that we have in there at the back. The wrong thing about that turbo is only the freaking drive shaft bearing. Actually, the drive shaft bearing is seized. And then if we can order that online, like maybe bits of pieces on online, and we can salvage the turbo thing. So that's the thing, guys. If you like nagtitipid kayo dahil mahal ang oil, mahal ang service kit, and then mahal etc. So mas lalo kayong mamahalan pagka nasira ng turbo. Imagine ang turbo pagbili niya is 300 euro, and then service kit it's only very cheap, and it goes lifetime once you have the normal servicing on your car, like every 6 months to 1 year maximum. And then yeah, so actually yung tao na yun, puti yun siya, last 4 days pa siya tumatawag sa atin na ipagawa yung kanyang sasakyan, Hyundai Toyota Avensis turbo front din. So nakita nyo din ang video na talagang yung kanyang oil filter nag-clog na, and the oil filter is clogged and it cannot push or it cannot deliver oil through the oil gallery, and especially on the turbo feed pipe. So it's clogged because of there is no oil coming on the turbo, so the turbo cease, and the drive shaft of the turbo is fucked, like bearing is gone, drive shaft bearing gone. So that's the result kung magtitipid kayo sa inyong sasakyan, guys, especially mga turbo engines. Hindi maganda pagka so kailangan nyo talagang magpa-service talaga ng sasakyan, like every 6 months to 1 year maximum, as I said, because if you do, like, you keep ignoring servicing, then that will be the bad result. Turbo is gone and it's very very bad, like as you can see. So ang istorya kasi sa kanyang sasakyan, hindi nag-oil change, hindi nag-service, yun ang dahilan dyan. So you will realize now how very important is having the servicing. Very very important. Don't just drive and ignore oil service. No. Things getting expensive now. It's almost expensive. It depends upon the model on the car. But that one, that's only second-hand parts. Put it in second-hand parts. Because turbo actually is ranging about 500 to 650 euro. That's the brand new one. The one that he has is a second-hand. So second-hand is half of the price of it on the brand new. So, and the bad thing about buying second-hand is we don't know if the condition if good or not. Like the one that he has, the Toyota 161, the turbo type that he has is an electronic turbo. The wastegate is electronic turbo, so kind of expensive. And then yeah, so if you have the expensive car, expected the turbo is also expensive. Ang ginawa natin doon, hinati lang natin tinanggal lang natin yung kanyang pinaka shaft na assembly at iniwan lang natin yung kanyang housing doon sa kanyang exhaust cage ng housing ng turbo, kasi hindi matanggal yung tinignan ko in different angle, hindi matanggal dahil ang pinaka loob niya na bolt, although there are only 3 bolts that's holding the turbo plants, but the third bolt is at the very inside, so talagang mahirap i-access. So I decide na tanggalin na lang yung 6 bolts nandun, naka entrada doon sa hub ng turbo assembly para mailipat lang. And then gumana naman, ayos naman ang resulta. Dinrive niya kanina, tinisting niya kanina, guys, whenever things are getting bad, don't give up. There's always a plan B. If the plan A doesn't work, like what we done in the turbo thing, there's always plan B. So PM me if you want more problem on your car. PM, text or call maybe. So thank you very much. Watch out for more. Thank you.